The impact of AI on the tech job market by 2026. Artificial intelligence, AI, is poised to significantly transform the technology job market by 2026. While AI is unlikely to completely replace entire professions, it is expected to automate specific tasks within various roles, leading to a shift in job responsibilities and a growing demand for new skill sets. Studies indicate that AI will have the most substantial impact on mid-level, 40%, and entry-level, 37% technology jobs. Tasks that are routine or repetitive are particularly susceptible to automation. AI-powered code generation tools, such as GitHub's Copilot, are automating aspects of coding, potentially reducing the need for manual code writing. This shift may lead software engineers to focus more on system design, problem-solving, and overseeing AI-generated code for quality and security. Automation is expected to handle routine maintenance and support tasks, diminishing the demand for roles centered on troubleshooting and system upkeep. Employees in these areas may need to upskill to remain relevant. Rather than eliminating jobs outright, AI is anticipated to transform existing roles. Approximately 92% of IT jobs will evolve due to AI, necessitating reskilling and upskilling of the workforce to adapt to new responsibilities and technologies. The integration of AI is projected to boost labor productivity by up to 4% annually by 2030, underscoring the importance of human-AI collaboration in enhancing efficiency. To navigate these changes, tech professionals should consider developing expertise in AI-related technologies and tools to stay competitive in the evolving job market. Focusing on skills that AI cannot replicate, such as creativity, strategic thinking, and interpersonal communication. Engaging in continuous education to adapt to technological advancements and shifting industry demands. In summary, while AI will automate certain tasks within tech jobs by 2026, it is more likely to transform roles rather than replace them entirely. Professionals who proactively adapt to these changes by acquiring new skills and embracing AI as a collaborative tool will be well positioned for success in the future job market.